Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Boy Tutorials, and this is the first of hopefully many useful tutorials on this channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to execute a .jar file. Now this is a little error I encountered during my current uni course where a program I was meant to use was in the form of a .jar file, like this one right here. So the icon usually looks like what looks like 3 books strapped together. A bit like this, but when I try double clicking on it, it just opens up with WinRAR, which is definitely not what I want. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how to execute it. Now, a .jar file is written in Java, or it's basically just a combination of a bunch. Anyway, basically, in short, what I'm saying is you need Java and the Java JDK to execute it. So I'll just quickly show you how to install those. So for Java, just go into Chrome, type in Java install, or install Windows 10 as this is a Windows 10 tutorial. And just go on Java downloads for all operating systems. And you'll see the Windows section here. Just click on Windows Online. And then there it is, then you can click on it and install it, but as it's already installed on my computer, I'm not going to install it here. As for the Java JDK, just type in Java JDK, Java Downloads Oracle, and if you just scroll down a bit, you'll find Linux, Mac OS, and Windows, so options for all the different operating systems. Click on Windows here and just click on any one of these. That gets downloaded, that's the installer. Click on that and you'll be able to install the Java JDK from there. So yep, that's how you download Java and the Java JDK. And next to actually executing the .jar file. Now the first 2 methods I'm going to show you didn't actually work for me unfortunately, but have worked for others on Windows. First one I'll show you is simply, so we're going to use the jape.jar file here. Okay, so first of all, just right click, hover over open with, go on choose another app. Just go on the list here, and one of the programs you should be able to open it on is Java TM Platform SE Binary. Click on that, click on OK, and as you can see I have not had much luck here. So the other one you can use, go on open with again, click on choose another app, go on more apps, click on look for another app on this PC. You should be in program files, go to Java, go to JRE 1.8. The version might be different on yours, but yeah, just click on that. Click on bin and find Java W, click on that, click on open. And that can work for you, but as you can see, I haven't had much luck with that one. Yeah, if I could speak, I haven't had much luck with that one either. And as for now for another method that has worked for me and should definitely work for you, and that is executing it through the command prompt. And how you do this is you hold shift, you right click, and do this within the folder the .jar .jar file is in. So hover over. So yeah, you'll see the menu here after holding shift, right clicking. Click on open PowerShell window here. Then type in Java -jar, and if we look back, the name of the file was jape.jar. So capital J, jape.jar, and voila, it works. So yeah, you can execute it through the command prompt, and only thing is that if you want to open it multiple times, that can get a bit repetitive, just having to open the command prompt, type it in. So I'll just show you a quicker way of doing it. So stay in the folder again, right click, hover over new, click on text document, and name the file run. And now hover over that, right click, click on edit, and then type in the command, which was java -jar, whatever the name of the .jar file is. So even if it was encoder, you type in encoder.jar, for example. But in this case, we're not going to execute that one. We're going to execute jape. So that's jape.jar. And now what we want to save it as is a .bat file. So if you go into, we've gone into save as, and we want to rename it run.bat and save as type all files. So it gets saved as a .bat file. So click on save. Exit as this. And now this is a Windows batch file. This is the one we want to double click on. So just double click, and that will automatically execute the code in the command prompt, and voila, it's open again. So yeah, that is how you execute a .jar file. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, don't hesitate to give a gentle push to the like button and the subscribe button, and turn on notifications just so you get any more useful tutorials that I make. Well, hopefully they're useful for you. And yeah, that's all I have for now. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day in the knowledge that you can execute .jar files now.